Hello and welcome to Excel Spreadsheets for Everyone. Hello and welcome to this lesson on Excel Spreadsheets. In this lesson, the first thing I'm going to show you is what's called a workbook. Now, a workbook is made up of various sheets. So at the bottom here, we've got sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now we can have less than 3 sheets and we can have more than 3 sheets. If you want to increase the number of sheets, the little icon to the right, you just click it. Now you've got sheet 4. Click it again, we've got sheet 5. Now the layout of the spreadsheet is as follows. At the top we've got letters, we've got A, going all the way along alphabetically to the right. So each letter represents a column. So the first one, A, is column A. Letter B is column B. Letter C is column C. Letter D is column D. Letter E is column E, and so on. Now on the left we've got numbers. So here we've got number 1. This refers to row 1. Then 2, which is row 2. 3, row 3. 4 is row 4. 5 is row 5. 6 is row 6, and so on. Now you'll see on the spreadsheet we've got lots of little rectangles, like one there, another rectangle here, another one here. We've got rectangles all over the place. Now these rectangles are referred to as cells. Now each cell has got a reference. So if we go back to the first one at the top left, on that cell there, we've got an A at the top and one at the left. So that's referred to as cell A1. I'll click on the one to the right, I've got B at the top and one on the left. That's referred to as cell B1. Click on the one to the right of that, I've got C at the top, one on the left. That's referred to as C1. Click on the one to the right of that, I've got D at the top, one on the left. That's referred to as D1. Now if I go down to the cell below, if I click on the cell below, I've got D at the top, 2 on the left. So that's now D2. Click on the cell below that, I've got D at the top, 3 on the left. So that's D3. I'll click on the one to the right, I've got E at the top, 3 on the left, that's E3. Click on one on random towards the right hand side of this worksheet, I've got L at the top and 11 on the left, so that's referred to as L11. Now at the top of the spreadsheet we've got various tabs. We've got a Home tab. On the Home tab we can do various things which we'll learn about later on. You can do cut and copy. You can change the style of your fonts. Got various font styles there. You can change the size of your fonts there. We've got a letter B, which is for bold, an I for italics, and a U for underline. And you can see what they refer to later on. This one here, we've got a little yellow there. That will fill the cell with a particular colour. The one to the right of that is the actual font colour. Then you've got 3 other little text notifications here. That's align text to the left. That is to center the text, and that's to align the text to the right. All these I'll come across later on. The next tab at the top is insert. On the insert we've got various things we'll be seeing later on. You can have a pivot table, you can have a table, a picture, you can have clip art, you have different shapes, and over here we can have different graphs, a column graph, a line graph, a pie chart, a bar chart. You can have a scatter chart as well. Also, you can link to a website as well. The next tab across the top is called Page Layout. Here we can change the margins of a page, the orientation, the size of the page, and the various other bits and pieces, which again we'll see later on. Then you've got quite a complex one next to this formula. You've got various formulas which can actually be used, and again we'll see how these all work in a later lesson. Then you've got data. Again, that you'll see again, that's quite complicated at times. Consider how that works in a later lesson. Then you've got a review tab. Again, you can check the spellings. And again, we'll see that later on. And finally, you've got view tab. Again, we'll see that later on. So go back to the beginning now, I'll click on home. And that's where we started. So that's basically the layout of a spreadsheet. And again, we'll go into more details about it in future lessons. So I hope you found this lesson useful, and I'll speak to you later in a future lesson. Thank you very much then. Goodbye. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please click the subscribe button below and you'll be notified of new video releases. Thank you very much.